in the air conditioner. If there is noise in a split air conditioner, you may hear high airflow noise or some tuck noise issue when your split air conditioning is in working mode. Issue may occur if you select high fan speed or due to some temperature change. High airflow noise during operation could be caused if you have selected turbo mode in the remote. The unit will work in high speed, may cause of noise. Select the normal mode from the remote and check again. If still some tuck noise is often coming while unit is cooling mode, one of the reasons could be constriction or expansion of the indoor unit plastic components due to the temperature change. It's a natural phenomena and it only can be reduced but not avoided completely. If still vibration noise, please check fitment of the front grille or loose air filter inside the grille. Please refix properly and check the noise once again. This exercise will help resolve the noise issue from the unit. Please note, if some internal noise observed, please register the call with our customer care Voltas call center.